Once companies can grow, we expect them to expand. They will be able to pay their workers well. It will give them the competitive edge in the markets that they supply. And on the whole, it means progress and prosperity for the businesses and the nation as well.
That's the rationale guiding the Labour Ministry's thrust to encourage a productivity revolution across the country. The Jamaica Productivity Centre, the JPC, is one avenue that provides assistance to businesses that want to increase their productivity levels.
We go into our client, we have an interview with them, with the staff, we do a productivity audit of the firm, and then what we do is design or define the purpose or scope for that intervention. Then we go on to the next step, which would include measurement, where we look at gathering the data that can inform the process. After which we analyze that data, implement solutions, then we go into the control and sustainment of those productivity solutions that we give to the clients.
Various companies have taken advantage of what the centre has to offer, and during Workers' Week 2013, ministry officials and partners got a first-hand look at what's going on at two of these firms.
Small and medium-sized firms are the firms that employ most workers. They are the firms that are more conducive to technology adoption and innovation. And they are the firms that are in the best position to accept productivity and become more productive.
First stop, the Uniform Centre, which manufactures uniforms for schools, hospitals, hotels and other institutions in Jamaica and the Caribbean. The partnership with the JPC began in 2010, and after a 3-month period, the Uniform Centre was able to boast some improvements.
One of the recommendations was actually to have a very strong and active board. As a result of that, we developed our HR policy, our HR manual, all of the basic things needed to take a company forward. They also helped us with our production flow, production management, looking at our inventory systems, and even touched on our marketing. Demonstrated the importance of having adequate and proper documentation.
The JPC also helped the company implement processes which made the business more organized, resulting in a more efficient working environment.
We look both at the outputs and the inputs because we look at increasing the organization's efficiency and effectiveness. So on the output side, we may look at increasing sales, marketing. We look at quality, what the customers are interested in. On the input side, we look at the use of capital, use of resources, flow, process flow, quality, improvements, the whole gamut. But it's customized to what problems the company is facing and what can give us the biggest bang for our buck.
In addition to an increase in the number of garments produced per worker, the Uniform Centre has also been successful in implementing an energy-saving program, all with the JPC's help. Then there's Jamaica Bedding in Old Harbour, a family-owned business which manufactures and sells foam, bedding and other furniture.
When we started this business, we were not sure how to organize the entire place. So the JPC came in and they assisted us to organize the place, to make the flows and everything very good. They helped us increase our technical and economic efficiency, which gave a rise to increase in productivity.
With the Productivity Centre's help, the entire layout of the company's factory space was transformed. Staff members were also trained in organizational principles to ensure sustainability of the efforts.
Things have been much more easier to find things, push the production, increase production, and workers more sensitized about the whole tidiness.
Production output has increased by almost 30% since the intervention by the Jamaica Productivity Centre, and there are plans to purchase more equipment to meet the demands of the bedding company's customers. You too could benefit from the Jamaica Productivity Centre's help. Contact their offices on the 12th floor, Air Jamaica Building, 74 Harbour Street, Kingston. Telephone 922-1598 or visit their website jpc.com.jm.